I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Okay. Before we get to our Q&A, na syempre meron si Franz no na may I wanna ask you guys, this is your first time watching the trailer. How do you guys feel? Ano bang tumatakbo sa isipan nyo? Knowing that you guys came from somewhere, a big shoot, di ba? Then diretso kayo dito and watching this one na malapit na yung palabas sa sinehan.
It's real. Yun. Dito na tayo. And we're finally sharing a piece of our film. Because a lot of people have been wondering when we'll be giving out snippets. Kasi wala pa talaga dito. So, we're just very happy that finally we got to include this already. And tama nga Kuya Robs, galing kaming shoot. Parang kami nasa portal minsan. Papasok kami, magiging Cisco, Jessica, tapos lalabas. Ngayon kailangan namin nag-promote and then babalik sa portal. So, you know, it's a lot of mixed emotions seeing this. And I'm just glad that we get to spend it with this whole cast and everyone here sa Best who's been very supportive throughout me and Belle's journey, you know, all these years.
How about you, Belle? You're getting emotional.
Hindi. Wala pa. Hindi pa tayo
wala
na
pa.
mamaya.
Wala pa.
Ang siguro watching it, parang sabi ko, oh my God, manghirap kumalas. Even after siguro matapos namin i-film to movie, ang hirap kumalas, you know. But seeing it now, I'm just very excited talaga na mapanood lahat and makita nila yung story ni Cisco and ni Cheska.
Yes, Direk? Oh, Direk is gonna say something.
Ako po talaga naata sa mag-react, sabi ko ayoko. But after watching, sabi ko ang damot ng trailer.
What's it?
There is so much more in this film than meets the eye. Yung nakita nyo, sobrang ang damot talaga na parang patikim, and yet, naramdaman ko. Diba? Naramdaman ko kung ano yung gusto namin sabihin. But, yun lang, parang sinasay ko, hindi nga to trailer para sa akin, para sa teaser. Kasi talagang tinitease kayo kasi there is so much more to the film.
Direk, gusto nyo kausapin natin yung mga
Hindi ko
gumawa ng
kasali
trailer?
sa usapan.
Itatawag natin, ba't ang damot nyo raw?
Ay, nako, another discussion.
No, but a beautiful trailer at that, no? Kasi, biruin mo wala kang binigay and yet, you felt something. Ay, that's worth something.
Miss Van, I was gonna ask you. Sabi ni Miss Van, ako na naman. No, really. How does it feel na your creation is now coming to life and now nakita natin yung trailer for that. This big project of Star Cinema.
Nung sinabi mong creation, isip ko, ano yung creation? Ang tumatak sa isip ko nung sinabi mong creation, silang dalawa. Kasi they began with me. And in a way, di ba, their journey as a love team is coming to a pause. I don't want to say an end kasi for now, di ba? So, ang saya nung feeling na kasama nila ako dito sa stop na to. Kasi nga, sa akin sila nagsimula. So, sabi ko nga, kaming tatlo rin pala sa wakas. Tayong tatlo rin pala sa wakas. So, natutuwa ko rin talaga kayo. Kasi, ang laki nung pagbabago nila mula nung una ko silang nakasama. And, yun. So, sana po talaga panoorin nyo kasi ibang-ibang Donnie at Belle ang mapapanood nyo. At para sa mga fans sila, super mapaproud kayo sa kanilang dalawa. Hindi sayang lahat ng panahon, lahat ng pagmamahal, lahat ng effort na binigay para dito sa dalawang minamamahal na idol. So yun, nakakatuwa lang na nakita ko sila, ibang-iba sila.
Yes, Joras.
Gusto ko lang idagdag yung road trip nila with Miss Van. Yung journey nila with Miss Van. Para talaga, nagmamatch.
Saktong-sakto, pun intended.
Direk ko lang nasabi kanina.
Kaya pala gusto ng tissue ni Direk kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klase emotion. Tatawa ba, iiyak, yung mararamdaman, all sorts maybe in this film, no? But just like what Miss Franz said a while ago, you guys started. And easy to her.
At sino nag-host ng media con namin?
I did that. I did that via Zoom.
Via Zoom,
Salamat, Kuya
yes.
Robby, ah.
And now, yung big announcement niyo that this probably might be the last project for now of Donnie and Belle. We're here again. So, full circle moment for everyone involved in this media launch. So, without further ado, you guys ready for the Q&A? It felt like a pageant. Let's begin. Okay, and we shall start with the question coming from Nika Savio from Push ABS-CBN, and this goes out to Donnie and Belle. What new aspects of yourselves did you discover while portraying your characters?
Nagtaas na ako.
Yes.
Ako po, ang dami ko pang dapat tutunan. At ang matutunan, di ba? Si Direk na to. Ang dami ko pa dapat matutunan. Sobrang dami kasi ang lalim-lalim ng characters namin dito. Sobrang intricate. And it made me understand so much more about love.
Wow. How about you, Donnie? Big words in.
Yeah, I think in order for you to reach the character of Cisco, I really learned to open up and to reach a side to myself that's vulnerable, super vulnerable, na hindi ko ata naranasan pa. Pero kasi kailangan yun sa depth ng character niya. And yun, nalaman ko na if you really are just honest with yourself and your feelings, mapupuntahan mo yun.
And just hearing you guys talk, probably ito na yung pinakamalaki, pinaka-complicated, complex characters na tinake nyo. Kasi before, maraming characters kayong nagampanan. Pero ito na ba yung pinaka-kakaiba? Pinaka-mabigat?
Yes, kasi ano siya eh, different sides, different stages of a relationship. So if you go through all of that, diba, in a journey, you start with a kilig, you start with the honeymoon phase, and then you'll go to the realization that you become, you know, familiar with each other. Tapos doon na yung mga problems mag-arise. So I think it's a combination of all our characters in different stages of their life.
You go through different seasons of love.
Yes.
Okay. There's another question coming from Nika, and I'll just couple them together. Were there particular scenes that pushed you out of your comfort zones? How did you handle them?
Dami.
Meron bang hindi? Yun ang
Lahat
tanong.
po.
Meron bang hindi? You wanna start?